Are you looking to improve your spoken English? Well, look no further. Hi there, I am Farhad and I am here to share you the incredible opportunities that learning spoken English can bring into your life. Imagine being able to express yourself confidently in any situations, whether it's at your workplace environment, during travels, or in social settings. With the spoken English skills, the world becomes your playground and communication barriers are broken down. So, why should you choose our spoken English program? Alright, let me tell you. Prime English Academy offers a progressive and potential learning environment that focuses on practical and real-life conversations. Gone are the days of boring textbooks and outdated methods. Our expert and qualified teachers are passionate about helping you to develop your speaking skills and boosting your confidence. Through interactive activities and lively discussions, we will help you improve your vocabulary, pronunciation, and fluency. So, get ready to participate in engaging role plays, debates, and group activities that will make you feel like a language pro in no time. Our program provides cultural insights and allowing you to understand and appreciate English-speaking countries on a deeper level. Who knows, you might even pick up some slangs and idioms along the way. So, are you ready to invest in your future and take your spoken English to new heights? Join our program today and let's embark on this exciting journey all together. Remember, learning English is not just about words, it's about the doors that open when you can speak English with confidence. Bye for now.